Good morning. Hi, I'm Sherry Martin. I'm from Decatur, Alabama, and I just come to you live today just to tell you a few facts about building momentum. Building momentum is so important. A lot of times when you start a new career or maybe pick your career back up, you think you're not getting anywhere, but building momentum is the key. And so I just wanted to tell you that it's kind of like pumping a well. You take a well and and a lot of you probably don't know what a well is, but anyway, where you pump it and you pump the well and you pump it and you pump it and you get a little dribble of water, and then you just keep pumping that well, and then all of a sudden you start getting a little steady flow, and then keep pumping it, and then all of a sudden it's just a big rush of water. And that is called building momentum. You're building momentum in that pump. And so it's the same thing with our business or any other business. It takes three months to actually see the magic of the work that you do today. I think that's very, very important that you understand that, and that pumping that well is just a symbol of that. We are going into the Final Four this last quarter. These last 4 months, we are in the 3.5 months into finishing our seminar year. Now, I don't know anybody that is exactly where they want to be right now. Whether you're a consultant, a director, a national, whatever. But there is magic in the last 3 months of a year. The last 3 months of a quarterly year. You've got to start over every day. Today's a new day. This week's a new week for you. This month is a new month for you. It doesn't matter what you've done in the past, whether you've done absolutely nothing. It does not matter. What matters is today, and where you start today and where you go tomorrow, and how you spend your habits and time. Your time turns into habits, where how you spend all those times and stuff. And so pumping that well is very important. So wherever you're at, you're not satisfied with where you're at, you don't feel like you measure up, I am the master at not measuring up, okay? I never felt like I measured up. But because of who he is, and not because of who I am, he is the equalizer. So it doesn't matter what your education is. It doesn't matter where you've been before. It matters where you are now. And so I just want to share that this is the final 4 months. And if you're not where you want to be, where do you want to be next year? Because these 3 months, 3.5 months, are going to make the difference of where you want to be. Say you wanted to be a director, but you hadn't got really going good yet. Say you want to win your car, but you really haven't built a team yet. Now is the time to do that. Now is the time to build your momentum, to start strong at the beginning of the new year, because 3 months, you start seeing the magic. July, August, September, all the way through, starting today, okay? So, what I'd like to also say is, I have a script for you. Some of you think that you can't afford to go to Dallas this year for seminar. This is our 60th year. This is the most important year we have, quarter that we have in Mary Kay. This is our 60th anniversary, so we're going to be celebrating big. And so I want you to be there to celebrate with me. And so here's the script for you. I am working to earn my trip to Dallas. I need your help. I need to do 60 faces. And I also need to do 60 career chats. Can you help me out? I need your skin and I need your ears. Can you help me out with that? For doing that, I will give you blank. Okay, whatever it is that you want to give them to do this for you. I can promise you, you use the script, have your date book in hand, you will get the momentum that you need to excel and propel you into next year. So dreams come true to those who never give up. No matter what happens to you, no matter what life hands you, don't ever give up. Don't ever quit. You're not a failure. God called you to this business for a planned purpose. It may not be somebody else's purpose, but He has a planned purpose for you in your life. I love you. Let's get busy. Have a great day.